Hi friends, welcome to my channel. You can see that today my receipt payment 2700 just completing survey, watching video. I love to watch video and also love playing game. You can see is playing game I can receive 2700, but you can also receive this type of money every day. And I give you the 6 website that you complete your survey and playing game and you can make money this type of me. So friends, this is on my Paytm bank transfer, directly transfer in my Paytm account. So friends, let's see, the first website is come to this swagbug.com. Swagbug.com, it is one of the reputed site. When you enter your email ID and set a password, when you sign up and go into this homepage of this site, and you can see this site pay approximately 60 crore to their member. 60 crore is not a jokes, and the lots of amount paid to their members. When you come at this bottom, you can click how it work. You can see the lots of payment method are available in this site, and you can see is a learn how to earn free gift card and also cash from this swagbug.com. But how you can earn, you shop online with Amazon, Walmart, and you can make money from this site. And also taking survey and complete your survey and you can make money from this swagbug.com. And this survey take 1 minute to complete one survey, and you try to complete more survey within time and making money, more money from this site. And also watching video, and you lots of people love to watch video. There are so many various type of video, especially entertaining video are available in this site, and you can watch and make money from this site. And also search on website, and you can search anything on this website and you can make money from this site. And also playing game, there is lots of game are available in this site, and you can play game and make money from this site. And also mobile app, and you can download the various type of mobile app in your mobiles and you can make money from this site. But friend, you first need to sign up in this site, and then you try to all the step you can see and try to make much more money from this site, swagweb.com. And the second website and give you that you can try to earn more money from this site is known as inboxdollar.com. This is a bonus tips. When you sign up with email and set password, you can receive $5 bonus. Just sign up. When you sign up in your account, automatic credited $5 or Indian rupees 365 rupees. You just sign up and your account will be credited 365 rupees. I give you a tips. When you come to this site and you sign up your family members and friends and make money $5 much more from this site. And if you try to $5 mean 365 and your family member if 10, and you can make money 3650. Just sign up. And if you want to more money from this site, you completing in your watching videos and taking survey and shopping and cash on from this site. And you can see the this website pay lots of survey. When you complete the survey, they can pay $5, $10, even $20. And $20 mean 1500 just one survey. And watching video, playing games, and also cashback on shopping, and also read email. This inbox dollars give you a lots of email, and you read this email and make money from this site. And the lots of opportunity are available in this site, and you first need to sign up in this site and make money $5, and then you try to much more money from this completing all this step and make money. I give you the third website that you can make money, and this is known as the Rakuten Insight. And when you sign up, and you can automatically receive 75 rupees. And you can see here sign up and you can make 75 rupees and taking survey and make money from this site. And you sign up, make money, take survey, make money, and get rewarded. There's so much money opportunity available in this site. And you can receive your site Paytm, Amazon, Flipkart, gift card are also available. You just need to sign up and make money from this site. I give you the fourth website that you can earn much more money from. This site is known as surveyear.com. This is a one of the best site I give you. You can earn money completing survey with survey, and you just complete your survey and make money. First you need to register here, and you can go to the how it work, and you can see the lots of opportunity to make money from this site. And you can see here um, lot of opportunity. And this you can quick survey Formula One. If you complete this survey and you can make money, there is a lot of survey. These are the latest survey, and you can see here this survey posted in 19 August, 16 August, 12 August, and online they can directly paid to their bank account. And if you see here the reward, and you can see this site paid to their member with various reward and payment reward. This site pay in the dollar, also euro. And you try to make much more money this type of. You can see here 20 euro, 10 US dollars, and so much money are on people from this site survey. Yeah, you can first register here and you complete your survey and make money from this site. I give you the fifth website that you can complete your survey and make much more money from this site. This survey is known as the value opinion. Valued opinion. You can see here a reward for the everyone. And you want to earn reward, you just need to log in or join up, and you can make money from this site. And you can see here's per survey 150 rupees. If you complete one survey, you can receive 150 rupees. If you complete 10 survey, and you can see 100 rupees per survey. If you complete 10 survey per day, and you can see 1500 per day just completing 10 survey. First you need to join up in this site and make money from this site. If you click here take survey, and you can see here first if and you need to join up, and then and you can see the survey are available in this site. And the I can give you the sixth website that you complete your survey and make much more money from this site. This site was known as the viewpointpanel.com. You can see here's viewpointpanel.com. This site pay you or receive high paying survey into your email inbox. This survey give a opportunity. And you can see here viewpointpanel.com. This website directly pay your email account to survey. You can see this website directly give survey in your email, and you just log in your email and complete your survey. And you can see here earn up to 500 every successful take. When you complete this survey, and you can make $500 sorry 500 rupees for completing one survey, and high paying per survey. So come to this site and make much more money from this site. Give you the sixth website high paying survey website. And you give lots of extra time when you at home or at anywhere, when you traveling, when you require money, and you go to this site and complete your survey, and this site can directly transfer your amount in your bank account. So means don't waste your time, come to this online opportunity and take this and make money from this site with me. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel because I provide a daily one video that you can earn much more opportunity from online. So thank you for watching this video.